back. It's Chris from the Hagon factory. So this week's video, we got the combined rally, single cylinder and girder forked rally. So that was held at Llanelly, and you know where that is. They hold the best motorcycle only swap meet in Australia. You've seen the videos. They don't just do swap meetings, they do other events all year. And this is one of their rallies, so let's have a look.
While we're here today, we're having what's called the first day of the combined rally. The combined rally means basically single cylinder motorbikes, permit eligible, and girder fork bikes of any capacity.
Fantastic.
Heaps of cylinders, whatever they like.
And plenty of entries?
We've got 40 odd.
Yeah, fantastic.
Really good. And the weather's terrible, as you can see, with the sunshine.
It's going to be a great day.
Yep, it shall be.
Hear that train pounding on my brain. It's coming to take me away. And Lord, it's coming to take me away. Can hear that horse riding down that plain. And Lord, it's coming to take my name. Lord, it's coming to take my name. Dreaming of places, wide open spaces. I've been suffocating here too long. I can't afford ya, California. I'll get to you sometime.
My dad's 1936 Ivory Calthorpe, which he bought in 1940, and you can see it's in its unrestored survivor, 500cc overhead valve, and yeah, Mum and Dad went everywhere on it. Early 40s, and yeah, he used to carry everything on the bike when he was building the house I grew up in.
Fantastic. Yeah.
So yeah, I just love riding the
It gets
thing.
along well?
Goes all right when it's going, yeah.
When it's going, like all these old bikes, yep. They're all the same, aren't they?
Yeah.
Oh, fantastic.
But no,
You're lucky to have it.
Way down that line, hear that train pounding on my brain, and you were rocking and reeling too. Yeah, you were rocking and reeling too. Can see your face all around this place, and Lord, it's making me cry again. Lord, it's making me cry again. Dreaming of places, wide open spaces. I've been suffocating here too long. I can't afford ya, California. I'll get to you sometime.
weather's a pretty gray here. It just rains for days. Sometimes it gets hard to stay here in this city of gray. I get so down, I just can't find my light. I get so down, I just gotta get through this night. So give me a good high and chase these blues away. Give me a good high, forget about yesterday. Times are getting harder, you know it's harder to stay clean. Your days start getting darker when you forget your dreams. You get so down, you wanna make it all disappear. Oh, wishing you were somewhere, anywhere but here. So give me a good high and chase these blues away. Give me a good high, forget about yesterday.
What you see, like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell everybody. Let's bring Hagon's back.